Welcome to Ajayastro Mini Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodity markets. Today, we'll be discussing key developments in the crude oil and gold markets, which have been experiencing significant movements due to various global factors. Stay tuned as we break down the reasons behind these price changes and what to expect in the near future. As of September 13, crude oil prices continue to rise, driven by production disruptions in the U.S. Gulf of Mexico, caused by Hurricane Francine. The storm forced oil producers to evacuate platforms in preparation for its landfall in Louisiana, leading to supply constraints in the market. Brent crude futures saw an increase of 34 cents, or 0.5%, pushing the price to $72.31 per barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate, WTI, crude futures climbed by 38 cents, or 0.6%, to reach $69.35 per barrel. If this upward trend continues, both benchmarks are on track to break the recent streak of weekly declines. Brent crude is positioned for a 1.7% weekly gain, and WTI is set for a 2% rise, despite the earlier turbulence when Brent briefly fell below $70 for the first time since 2021. Oil producers in the Gulf of Mexico are currently assessing damage and conducting safety checks before resuming operations. Analysts from UBS expect regional output to drop by 50,000 barrels per day, BPD, in September, while FGE projects a 60,000 barrels of oil per day reduction, bringing total output to around 1.69 million barrels of oil per day. As of Thursday, approximately 42% of the region's oil production remains halted. The disruption in supply has offset the earlier sharp decline in prices caused by global demand concerns. Both the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC, and the International Energy Agency, IEA, recently lowered their demand growth forecasts, citing China's economic slowdown as a key factor. China's customs data revealed that crude imports from January to August fell by 3.1% compared to the same period last year, signaling weaker demand from the world's largest oil importer. In the US, gasoline and distillate futures also reached multi-year lows, reflecting softer domestic demand. According to the US Energy Information Administration, both oil and fuel stocks rose last week due to a sharp decline in demand. The ongoing balance between supply disruptions and concerns over global demand is expected to play a major role in the oil market's trajectory in the coming weeks. Gold prices hold near record highs amid US dollar weakness and economic uncertainty. Gold prices remain close to record highs as of September 13, benefiting from a weaker US dollar and increased investor attention on upcoming US economic data. Spot gold held steady at $2,558.19 per ounce, marking a 2.5% gain for the week. US gold futures also rose by 0.2%, reaching $2,586.60 per ounce. The US dollar slipped by 0.3%, making gold more attractive to buyers using other currencies, which has fueled demand for the precious metal. Economic reports from the US indicate a slight rise in producer prices in August, although inflationary pressures seem to be easing. Additionally, a small increase in unemployment claims last week suggests possible softness in the US economy. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, added to this sentiment by recommending that the Federal Reserve begin its anticipated monetary easing cycle at its upcoming meeting, as inflation risks appear to be diminishing. Currently, market participants are pricing in a 57% probability of a 25 basis point rate cut, and a 43% chance of a 50 basis point cut, according to the CME FedWatch tool. A rate cut by the Federal Reserve, if it occurs, would be the first since March 2020. Lower interest rates are generally supportive of gold prices, as they decrease the opportunity cost of holding non-yielding assets like gold. Investors are also watching US consumer sentiment data for further indications of economic direction. Holdings in SPDR Gold Trust, the world's largest gold-backed exchange-traded fund, rose by 0.53%, reaching 870.78 tons as of Thursday. Other precious metals showed mixed results. Spot silver edged up by 0.1% to $29.94 per ounce, platinum gained 0.8% to $985.20, and palladium also climbed 0.8% to $1,055.64 per ounce. This concludes today's updates on crude oil and gold markets. Stay tuned for more detailed analysis and insights on commodities. That's all for today's update on crude oil and gold prices. If you found this analysis useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth market insights. Also, hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest trends in commodities and other financial markets. Thank you for watching Ajastro Money Guru, and we'll see you in the next video.